up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Francia, and I am back with another video. Trying on a wig from A to Z. I'm very much of a wig connoisseur. Wow, my collection is massive. But the one thing, allow me to be real with y'all. I have never put in a wig myself. Like, I've never customized, bleached knots, or pluck. I've never done any of that. I get my wigs already done, and if it's not already done, I just take it to the salon, customize it for me. So I've never had to do it myself. And 2024, I want to change it. I want to be able to do my own hairstyle, my own wigs, you know, bleach my own ends. So I'm doing baby steps. So without any further blah blah blah, let's get straight into the video. I got this wig. Basically dipping my toes in the water because I have to do these things. I don't want to be on camera looking like, you know, a fool. Though this is the route that it might go on. This is what the wig looks like. She's thick. She is thick. What is, okay, this is the net. Okay, it smells like a brand new hair. This is all that's in here. This is literally it. If you've been following my natural hair journeys, you'll see that I don't wear my hair out often, and I'm I'm trying to incorporate more natural hairstyles in my hair. However, I would never wear my hair in a natural state like this. I would never go on a, you know, like to wear my hair out kinky curly like that. I would never do it because my hair gets tangled extremely fast, and if I go for a style like this, I'm basically asking for problems, and I don't want that. So I got me, for the days that I want to rock, you know, kinky curly African goddess, I got me a kinky curly hair wig as opposed to wearing my natural wig out. So now brace yourself because wig about to come off. Ciao! What's the front, the back?
6 hours later.
Alright, let's see. How do I fix it? How do I fix it? Y'all, I don't know what to do with this wig. Is this supposed to be the bangs? It's a total disaster because I don't know what I'm doing. It's hiding my whole face. What do y'all think? Did I fix it right? You see, this is why I would have to actually go on TikTok University and YouTube University to figure out how to do my own hair, because my wigs, because look, y'all, I don't know what I'm doing right now. Do I need to cut it? Maybe cut it a little bit. This bit. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I mean, what is it giving? I don't know if this fixed right. It's extremely full. Is it fixed right? Okay, so comb it out, bring it out, pump it out a little bit. Take up my finger.
Later that same evening.
It's giving Tina Turner, or it's giving somebody from those back in the day music videos, bro. That's what this is giving. It's not even. It's not even. No. this is not giving what I thought it would give. I don't know. Like, let me know in the comments, what did I do wrong? What can I do better? Because, yeah. Maybe cut this bit. Is it coming together? Anyways, y'all. This is the finished product. Okay, maybe not put this bit over here. This is the finished product, y'all. To reiterate, I would never wear my hair in its natural state like this unless I have conquered the art of not getting my hair so tangled in. I'm still trying to figure out how to prevent the tangling and, you know, all of that. And I haven't figured that out yet, so I would not recommend wearing your natural hair in its natural state. It does more harm than it does good, especially if you don't have the right products to keep it moisturized, because out like this is very susceptible to dryness, damages as well. Until I figure out how to fix this, because it's looking, I'm not liking the way that it's looking right now. I mean, I feel like it's coming a little together, I guess, I suppose, but it's not, I don't know. Maybe it gotta drown on me. Maybe it gotta down on me, or I gotta get used to it, because I've never rocked a hair like this, a wig like this before. So maybe that's what it is. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you are, by the end of this video, you would have already been subscribed to the channel, because what are you waiting on? And make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And let me know what you guys think about this wig. Let me know what I did wrong and how I can improve it, because I feel like it's not sitting right the way that it should be sitting. I feel like, I don't know, maybe I did some things wrong. But let me know, y'all. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.